Hi friends, today I will show you how to download Anaconda library without registering your email. Let's go to the video. You can search Anaconda. Its site is anaconda.com. Okay, I will give you it in the description. Now you can go to free download. In this page it's ask your email address, so sometimes we don't interest to give our emails because they will share it with other and we receive spam messages. So now I will show you a hack to download this without registering your email. Simply puts /success and press enter. This will redirect you to the download page. Now you can download it for Windows, Mac or Linux. I will show you. Now I am downloading it for Windows. Click the Windows button. Now it start the download. Okay friends, if you like the video, press the bell button and subscribe. Thank you.